If you are a Simha Rashi, 2025 brings both highs and lows with challenges in relationships and finances, but also gains, respect and growth in career. With Saturn, Jupiter and Rahu all shifting signs, this is a year of testing but also opportunity. I'm Archana Murthy, and in the next few minutes I will share what these shifts mean for you and how to align yourself with them. Here's what we'll cover. Saturn's move into Meena and the testing effects of Ashtama Shani, Jupiter's shift into Mithuna and the prosperity and gains it brings, Rahu's entry into Kumbha and the stress it creates in relationships and partnerships. If you're new here, I share authentic Jyotisha rooted in classical texts every week. Subscribe and stay connected so you don't miss these insights. Brihat Parashara Hora Shastram describes Simha Rashi as Simha Pito Bruhat Gatras Chatushpada Dina Vikrami Aganyatmakaha Kshatriyaha Siraha Purvodayaha Sada. This means Simha is yellow in color, has a large and commanding body, is 4-footed, strong during the daytime, belongs to the fire element, is of the Kshatriya class, rises in the east and is always courageous. So as a Simha native, you're bold, proud and naturally courageous. Leadership and recognition come naturally to you. You thrive in the spotlight, but sometimes pride can create challenges. By the way, if you want to know more about Simha Rashi traits, I have made a detailed video on it. Check it out. In 2025, this natural courage will be tested by Saturn and Rahu, but uplifted by Jupiter's blessings of prosperity. On March 29, Saturn entered Meena, your 8th house, Ashtama Shani, one of the most testing placements. Losses, failures and a sense of depression if not handled with care. Disharmony in family, differences of opinion, sorrow. Children's health may need attention. Be careful during travel. Possible litigation, fines or issues at workplace. Finances strained. Wasteful expenditure, prone to chronic stomach issues, heart concerns. Until May, Jupiter was in Vrishabha, supporting your career and recognition. After May, it moved into Mithuna, your 11th house, giving Guru Bala, one of the most favorable placements that occurs once every 12 years. Prosperity, respect and popularity increases. Strong gains through networks, friendships and associations. Excellent for marriage prospects and new partnerships. Opportunities for foreign travel or expansion into new circles. Career growth, promotions and elevated status likely. Financial status improves. Wealth flows from multiple sources. A very favorable time for investments, property and long-term ventures. Take care of stomach ailments or eye strain, but overall vitality improves. On May 24th, Rahu entered Kumbha, your 7th house, while Ketu moved into Simha, your 1st. Stress in relationships and partnerships, distance in close ties, loss of self-respect or reputation, if argumentative, professional troubles from colleagues or authority figures, prone to indigestion, constipation, stomach-related ailments. Foreign associations may not yield expected results. A few practical tips. In career and finance, Saturn may delay, but Jupiter strongly supports growth and wealth. Promotions, respect and property gains possible after May. Avoid risky financial ventures. Protect your savings. Be cautious in legal or workplace disputes. When it comes to relationships and family tensions may arise under Saturn. Stay patient. Rahu in 7th makes relationships volatile. Avoid arguments with spouse or partners. Focus on diplomacy in professional dealings. In health and inner balance, care for digestion, stomach and heart issues. Stress management is key. Avoid ego clashes. Charity, prayer and humility will help balance Saturn's effects. For a yearly flow summary, early year, career growth and recognition begin steadily. After March, Ashtama Shani brings stress, obstacles and financial pressure. After May, Jupiter blesses you with gains, prosperity and respect. In the second half, Rahu challenges relationship which requires patience and maturity. By year's end, despite turbulence, you will stand stronger with growth in wealth, position and wisdom. An important reminder, these are general Rashi insights. They offer only a slice of the whole picture. Your individual horoscope and running dashas reveal the complete story. For clarity, always check your chart. Now, I would love to hear from you. Which part of this prediction feels most relevant to you? Are you already sensing challenges in relationships or career this year? Share your thoughts in the comments. If this helped you understand your year ahead, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for weekly Vedic astrology insights. And if you would like to explore your chart in depth, you can always connect with me for a personal consultation. The link is in the description. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay aligned. Dhanyavadaha.